So guys, I'm discussing about that how we can making for business cards. Suppose we open for the Google business card. What they mean by making a visiting card. So a lot of people ask one question. So we can using for Photoshop, Corel Draw, a lot of things are there. Some online tools are there. If you are making your own business card, so how to make it? So that online will be there, and we have to purchasing for somewhere else, or you can making your own. That is purpose. We have using for two website. One is Canva. Second will be thehoth.com. In this call, selected will be business card option. What are the business card required? Select your option will be here in this. You can see this now. All will be here. Particular business cards are there. Which is required? Select it. Here, everything will be there. Remove it. Remove it. Logo in pattern here. Logo text. Logo will be here. Delete it. First of all, add your particular option. Image. First of all, I'm adding for logo option. Logo will be compulsory using for PNG format. So we're using for PNG will be there. We're using the PNG, we can use the PNG images. Decrease the size. No worry about that. We have to patience required to making a visiting card option. So we can use that here option. Here, what are the phone numbers are there? You can add your particular phone number. So phone number we can add in here. Just we can go to small option. You can use the small here. No worry about that. Very patience to and cool to you can design your particular things. Next year, email ID. So I'm creating for just for small options, which is required. Any font will be there here. After creating this email, you have to attach with the will be here. Email will be done. Next will be your address. Address will be adding here. So just I'm give the example one adding for in the particular option. After that, you can click here and make it as a small option. Add your Hyderabad. So here, what are the things will be here? You can add your every information will be here and save and download. The download by email option. Download by where? Email option. So what are the template you require? Select the template, add the content based on your visiting card. So you can add anything in this here. You add your specification, your links, everything add by your particular business card option. Next one, Canva option. Select here business card. Here they give a lot of templates are there. You can selecting for particular template will be here in this. These are all your particular templates. Or before that also you can selecting for any template will be here. Just go back in the particular option. Here selecting suppose this one. For example, I give this option. And in the Canva, we can selecting your own design or existing template or select which is a free one. You can select it and download time they're showing any price, nothing happen. So you download by maximum we can download only for PDF standards, any business card. Here is the option will be there. So you can change here. What are things are there? Just here, remove it, add your option. Color will be change your option will be here. Use the color. So what is you can changing here? I'm just using a phone number here in this. we can use here. Just I'm going to give the dummy details, add here. And what are the specifications you have? Add the specification using the text format. Here is the text will be here. After just adding here, just go back. After that, increase your, decrease your size option. So in the total business card, you can show only one text. Give the company one text will be here. The text is not required. Remove it. Just delete option. Anything will be possible by in this option. Control Z will be undo, delete will be delete option. So same like if you add logo also, selecting logo option will be here, browser file where your logo will be there, add your particular logo option. So there is a depend on your particular things just here. Logo coming to in the point, the logo will be added in the particular here. Just decrease your option. Here, what everything will be change your option, increase the logo, text will be removed. So download, we are using PDF, PNG, JPG, but most of the cards we can download by the PDF format. Download it. Just I'm showing for dummy one, how we can creating for business website cards on the particular business purpose. What are the your criteria you will be expert, we can card will be designed by particular things. It will be automatically will be given to all particular options. So based on your template, you can select create your things. Which color is not required, change your color option also there. Anything will be given in the particular both website. The Hoth and second will be Canva. To making a business card without Photoshop, CorelDRAW not required. This is all will be making for business card purpose to using the two website. And in this creation time, what are the premium one, don't select it. Only selecting for the free options only. If you want design your own thing, select the blank template on the Canva option. So this is the option you can selecting for to create a business card on the particular business purpose. Make it your own card and don't forget it. Please make a download for your business card PDF format. This is more important. Easily print out for any print shops particular business card purpose. So this is called making a business card and a particular business using Canva and the Hoth website in the making for your business visiting card, business card, or any kind of things you're making for Canva and the both website will be help in the particular business purpose. Few more websites are there. This is a very useful method in the online to making a business card or we say as a visiting card option.